Welcome to Xitsonga Shaka Hina YouTube channel, Dyondza Xitsonga. This channel will help you to learn and enhance your command of the Xitsonga language and more. The lesson on pronouns continues. Masivi. Today we are doing object pronouns. Object pronoun acts as the object of the sentence. It receives the action of the verb. The table in front of you is to help with these pronouns in the singular and the plural form, and also in the first person, second person, and the third person. So as you see, the Xitsonga pronouns, I have highlighted them in black. We have nzi for me, he for us, u and ku for you, me for you again, ngwi for him or her in English, va for them in English. As usual, I will provide the examples in a sentence. First person singular example, va ndzi byerile mahungu. They told me the news. U ndzi byela loko u famba. Tell me when you leave. First person plural example, Anna u hi rhambile entlangwini. Anna invited us to a party. U hi rhamba entlangwini wa wena. Invite us to your party. Second person singular example, hi ku vonile ehandle. We saw you outside. A va ku tivi. They don't know you. Second person plural example, ndzi mi navelela swa kahle. I wish you well. Hi mi byerile ku ri fambani. We told you to leave. Third person singular example, n'wi languteni. Look at him. Look at her. Wa n'wi tiva. Do you know him? Do you know her? Third person plural example, u va vonile. Did you see them? Ndzi ta va vona mundzuku. I will see them tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more lessons.